What's up, y'all? Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Tia, and here we share simple home decor and lifestyle tips to make life and relationships beautiful and blessed. If you're a homebody babe, you already know it's cool being outside, but there's no place like home. Today we're transforming our entryway just in time for Christmas 2023, and this was sparked by our new 18 pair shoe cabinet from Wayfair. So now that we've got it all put together, let's get into this Christmas entryway transformation. I had quite a busy work week, so I went ahead and put together this ribbon and ornament hanging on the blank area of the wall there, just to tie everything together, and I think it came out so beautiful. This plain wreath came from at home. I simply made a handmade bow and attached velvet ribbon and one of the velvet flowers from Hobby Lobby. Very simple, but very, very cute in my opinion. If you want to know more about the ribbons and ornaments, literally it's ribbons, ornaments, thumbtacks. That's it. But if you want more information on how I did that, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to help you out. This braided jute rug came from Amazon. It was quite a steal. I think I got it for around 40 bucks, and it's 4x4 and it was the perfect size for this entryway, and immediately it just cozies things up. I have some of those stickers to let it stay in place, but I'm just gonna let the wrinkles fall out of it. And I'm moving this little planter stand that was on the other side to near the door right now, and just adding a couple of pieces to get this entryway all ready for Christmas Decor 2023. Not only do I want this entryway to scream Christmas and beauty and decor, it has to be functional. So I need some light here, so adding some candlelight so we can see when we come home in the evenings and remove our shoes and, just have a little warm ambiance. So this candlelight and this bowl are both from Home Goods, and I got them both earlier this year. Moving over to the other side where we will sit to remove our shoes and put them in our new shoe cabinets. I'm going to hang a picture and put a chair. So these monkey hooks are incredible and super easy to hang pictures. If you've never tried them, please grab you some and you will thank me later. I got this Oh Holy Night print from Marshall's last Saturday, and all I did was tied some burlap rope that we had in our utility room. Of course, this could be picture wire or whatever, but just using these monkey hooks makes it super easy. I have it tied nice and snug, and I'm just going to sit that rope right down into the hook, and this picture will be hung perfectly. So grab you some monkey hooks if you've never tried them, and you will thank me later for sure. Okay, so moving on to the other side, this is where I'm going to have the most special vignettes for Christmas. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I've been super excited about this sleigh. So this was the perfect spot for it, as it turns out. And we keep our keys here, so I'm just going to tuck this little bowl that I got from Ross a few weeks back right in there, and we'll just drop our keys in there as normal. And I just took some stems between ones I got from at home, one from Target, one from Hobby Lobby, tied a ribbon on here and a zip tie just to kind of get them snugly together. There's the zip tie, and I'm just hiding everything with this ribbon and just standing that up there, and also going to camouflage the stems down at the bottom with some additional folded ribbon. And you guys remember those pine cones I got for free on the side of the road? Yep, they're gonna also go inside of the sleigh, and that's gonna finish off the sleigh. I didn't really want to pack it up again because we use our keys here, but I thought this came out nice and cute and perfect, very festive. And I'm just gonna finish this off with some candles because, again, at night I like keeping the lights dim and just the fireplace going this time of year especially. So I'm just gonna add some candlelight on both sides so it's well lit when babe come home at night. And for the final touch, guys, this vase I got from Home Goods, I think last year. I love it. I've used it various ways. I added some color just by tying on some of this ribbon that I got from Amazon that I've shown you guys in a previous video. Just some basic velvet ribbon. I didn't do anything fancy with the tie, just did a nice little knot just to let that hang, just for a pop of color. And this beautiful string of bells came from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna rest that on the top here. And you know, I don't know, but this just added such a nice, I don't know, just pop to this vase. I love how this came out, and that's it, guys. That is the decor for my entryway Christmas 2023. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Now sit back and take a look and see how it all came together. Bye.